I'm ready to meet my new squadron.
Alright, let me just get them. In the meantime, just wait here. Men! Get your butts over here where I can see them!
You're not serious, are you, sir?
Would you like me to demote you down to private?
No, sir.
Then good. You will like your men.
Yes,
Everybody
sir.
gone now. Look at mine!
Alright, then listen up, you maggots.
Hey, don't call us maggots. That's me.
Alright then, non-maggots.
There, that's better.
You're about to go to war. You may not survive. We are doing so we can rule the world. Any questions? I have one. Alright then, let's go. That's your question. Let's go!
Hey, wait, Mom.
Mr. President,
Yes?
I want to see my army.
Alright, I'll call them from the lobby. In the meantime, just wait here and sit in the chair and just relax for a bit.
Alright, I'm going to ask you a few questions. And I want each of you to answer them. Guys, what are you good at? I'm good at sniping stuff.
I'm good at machine gunning. I'm good at planning.
Alright, then you all pass. Now let's go some nothing but!
Yeah!
Commander!
Yes,
Commander.
what is it?
We have lost France to the Americans and lost all of my men in squadron!
This is not good. Rally up more men. Bring in more ammo, more artillery. The Americans will not cross the German border. Now leave!
Yes, sir.
They must not know about the Holocaust or what we are doing to the Jews. The Americans will never learn our secrets. Do you hear me? They will never learn them. Never!
Yes, sir! Mr. President, we have taken over France from the German control. But recently the Nazis have made a huge dent in the Eastern Front. What will we do? What will we do?
Do not lose hope. Rally up more men. We will make another army. And we will not let the Germans cross any further into the eastern border.
Yes, sir.
Now go. And
Yes.
give a speech to them and let them not give up hope. I always have hope in them. But if we do not win this war and free Germany from Hitler's grasp, there's only one thing to do. Run and scream. Oh my God, I'm gonna die! Oh my God!
Mr. President, sir, we have just beaten the Germans and the Eastern Front. We have won the war!
Yes, I have faith in you all. And now, let's just celebrate and party!
Yeah! We have lost the war, Commander. And the Americans are on their way to arrest us!
Leave now. I knew this day would come. There's only one thing to do besides being trapped here in the secret bunker for the rest of my life. I am going to jump off this cliff. Goodbye, cruel world! Ah!
Commander, wait for me! Ah!
Say